Heidi ho, friends. I'm going to show you how to process this big chunk of Missouri flint, and it looks like it has some quartz mixed in there, and boy, there's some pure flint right there, into usable pieces. I found this chunk in a rock quarry I accidentally hiked through, and if you're wondering, yeah, it's pretty darn big for a piece of flint. Actually, I found some bigger pieces, but I didn't feel like carrying them out with me. First thing we're going to do is we're going to put this in a trusty Ziploc bag. And we're going to wrap it up. Next, we're going to put it in a paper bag. We're going to be using this stone that I borrowed from the neighbor's yard, and we need to get this done before he gets home. Heads up, you do not want to bang this on the concrete or your patio, a concrete driveway or your patio, because, well, for obvious reasons, it's going to put a dent in it. So that's why we're using this. Next, you're going to need a BFH. Oh, hang on, I got to put on my safety glasses. Up there. Okay, and we're going to give it a nice, gentle tap. Yeah, probably another one. That sounds like it broke up. All right, let's see what we got. See what it did to the rock? Oh, yeah. Okay, next. I don't want to lose any pieces. Oh, yeah. There's a lot of usable pieces in there. Look at that. Ooh, I want to try that one. Okay, let me clean this up real quick. Look at that. Oh, that is so sharp. That came out good. Let's, yeah, a lot of that. Look at that. All those all came out good. I probably could have just hit it once and it would have been all right. That's good. Oh, I'm very happy with that. Very happy. Okay. Next thing we got to do is we got to test it to see if it works. So we're looking for the sharp edge. There's one right there. Let's see. Yep, that's gonna work. Whoops, lost it. This is a very awkward position for me. Oh, there it goes. Nope, lost it. And we got it. There we go. I would say it works, and that is burning my hand. Okay, I've got to go put this back in the neighbor's yard because he's going to be home anytime now. All right, friends, there you go. We processed a big chunk of flint into these usable pieces. Have an awesome day, friends. Yeah, it looks about right. Yeah, he'll never know. Yeah, we're good.